Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crochet simple scrunchie. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook, beads and elastic. Let's crochet beautiful scrunchie. I took 2 yarns together and make a chain. Then I take elastic and make single crochet around the elastic for hair. Now I am crocheting loosely. I do not tight my stitches. I do this for more elastic my scrunchie. Now I am working with single crochet. Here how it looks. Then you should continue working till the end of the elastic. After I have done single crochet loosely, now insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch. My round is done. For the next round I will be using beads with letters, chain 3 to bring up the yarn for new round, then chain more and make double crochet into the same stitch. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook like this, then take the working loop, pull it through. So my bead was added in this way and make a chain. So double crochet into the same stitch, then chain and double crochet into the same stitch. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. So as you can see, I was alternate with double crochet twice with beads and just double crochet. In total it should be 4 stitches made in the 1 stitch of the previous round. As you can see, I did 3 stitches because before I did 3 chains. Let's make 1, then chain, then make the next stitch. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Make a chain with bead, then double crochet into the same stitch. Chain and double crochet with bead. Chain with bead. By the end of the scrunchie, you will get beautiful ruffle in the second round. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. My scrunchie is almost ready. So as you can see, I have got the ruffle with beads and the second side was made without them. Now insert the hook into the third chain stitch and make a slip stitch. Make a chain, and as you can see, I have already cut off the yarn. Let's look at my scrunchie. At the first side I joined beads with letters, and as you look at the second side, it was just double crochet stitches. So if you have 10 minutes, you can crochet such beautiful scrunchie or bracelet holder for crochet hooks for yourself. In this case, I'm using it like a bracelet with beads or without them. Here how it looks, but I prefer with beads, so I turn my bracelet. So it's very simple and at the same time beautiful. Also, you can use it like a scrunchie for hair. And as I said before, if you have many crochet hooks, you can use such scrunchie like a holder. Thanks for watching Crochet with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Bye!